So, answer to our quiz. We can find this out by running delta debugging. Here we are again in our editor, and now we simply invoke ddmin on the HTML input to find out which part of the input actually causes the program to fail. We press on run, and here we go. It takes 10 tests until delta debugging has simplified the input just to 2 characters, and this is a quote and a less than sign. These 2 characters already suffice to trigger the failure. The simplified input dramatically reduces the number of steps it takes us to go through the remove HTML markup function. We have a quote, therefore quote becomes set. This is the error. Since quote is set, tag does not become true, and the quote gets added to the result, which causes the assertion to fail. Just 2 characters, fewer steps, smaller state. All of this are advantages of a simplified input. And just for the record, correct answer is double quote and less than sign.